I am Mother Nature, the spirit of this beautiful earth. Where I walk, trees bloom and rivers sparkle. The wind whispers through my hair and flowers smile in my presence. But lately, my heart feels heavy. My forests are vanishing, my oceans are crying, and my animals are losing their homes. Yet, I still have hope in you. When you plant a tree, save a drop of water, or let a bird fly free, you make me smile again. Care for me, and I will care for you. Because when Mother Nature is happy, the whole world shines bright.